I was just sitting here in the living room filming a different video when I looked up at the ceiling and noticed that one of these light bulbs is a substantially different color than the other one. I don't know what's going on with this bulb. I imagine it's in some state of failure. The brightness is definitely lower than all the other ones, and the color is much warmer, which is normal as the bulb gets dimmer. So I don't know what's going on with that. I'm going to turn the brightness on the lights all the way up if it's not. If it is, I'm just going to turn it on and off and go up and down and see if something happens. I suspect it's just going to explode, but I don't know. Let's see. It is all the way up already, so let's go down. I have no idea what's up with that. I have not found these bulbs to be particularly reliable, but this is not a failure I've seen before. They usually just go out, and when they go out it's usually pretty eventful. Yeah, it's just like stuck at half dimmed. I have no idea. That's very strange.